everyone, welcome back to our channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. By the way, my name is Val and I'm doing cash stuffing videos in this channel. I'm sharing my financial journey. That's why I called it Financial Journey by Val. So I am not a financial guru, but I'm more likely sharing my financial experiences, also my financial goals. So for today's video guys, magka-cash stuffing tayo for the month of August. So this is my first paycheck for the month of August. O diba, parang kailan lang nag-cash stuffing tayo ng January, and here we are already in August. Ang bilis. Talagang ang bilis. So yun na nga, we're in August, and let me discuss my paycheck for today. So our paycheck supposed to be, ang budget ko is my full-time income, which is 13,000, and then my TikTok affiliate would be 2,000, and then nothing else. So now I've seen na yung income ko is an actual would be 14,000. And then for my TikTok affiliate is 1,300. Medyo mahina tayo ngayon, maybe because I'm not posting too much, or I'm not consistently posting, and I have my full-time quarterly bonus, which is 6,000. So yung budget supposed to be is 15,000, but yung actual is 14,000. Let's see, 14,000 plus 1,300 plus 6,000, so that's 21,300. Oops. Okay, 21,300. And by the way, yung ika-cash stuff lang pala natin is yung 14,000 at saka 1,300. I am not going to include yung quarterly bonus ko, because dapat iset aside ko siya for savings goal. So yung part of our expenses would be only the income and also the affiliate of TikTok. So let's say 14,000, so that's 15,300. And by the way, before I've shared to you guys na we will be practicing the 60, 20, 15, and 5 budgeting rule, so that para kapag okay na ako, wala na akong medyo utang, na-master ko na yung rule na yan. So let's try to do this. So let's say 15,300, 60%, dapat 9,180. Lagay ko na lang 9,000 yung dapat monthly expenses dyan. Actually, no, not 15,300. Hindi 15,300 guys, no. Actually, yung dapat talaga ganyan. But, yung ginagawa ko kasi, full-time job would go to the 60, 20, 15, 5 rule. And if hindi talaga enough yung income ko dyan, I'll find an extra income, which is yung TikTok affiliate. So let's not include the TikTok affiliate muna. For the budgeting rule, we'll have our monthly income, the regular monthly income lang, okay, times 60. So that's 8,400 daw, okay? And then 14,000 times, let's see, 20, so that's 2,800. So ganito dapat tayong mag-budgeting rule. Minamaster natin. So ilalagay ko dito 2,000 lang. So 15. 5% is 700. So, ganyan lang. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, pag nakita ninyo na yung 8,400 for your monthly expenses is not enough, that's the time na kukuha kayo ng mga sidelines or extra income, which I am currently doing, which is nasa TikTok affiliate ko siya. So, doon ko i-add si TikTok affiliate. So, dapat yung monthly expenses ko for this paycheck is 8,400 plus 1,300. 9,700 lang dapat. But, as you can see, total expenses is 12,750. So, still not enough. Not enough siya. So, yung gagawin natin, still look for another extra income or look for possible extra na pwede nating makapag-cover siya ng ating bi-weekly expenses, hindi monthly expenses, bi-weekly expenses. So now I figured out that kung ganitong rule, I have to save up for our investment, I have to save up for our savings, and then for the insurance, yung 8,400 it's not enough. So I have to look for extra income. Kahit nga na-add ko pa si TikTok affiliate, 9,700, still not enough to cover the 12,750. Wala pa yung, wala pa yung tinatawag natin na house expenses kasi wala naman kaming binabayan na rent. So, keep working. Here is my goal. So, yung goal ko, guys, let me explain that I would like to earn 30,000 bi-weekly income, and but still you can see 21,300 lang to, so still malayo pa. And then I have savings na dapat car insurance. So yung car insurance, guys, if you're familiar with if you've been with here since last year pa, you all know na yung we have a multi-cab na ginagamit, but now nakapondo lang siya kasi wala nga yung husband ko dito. So by October na ata magre-renew kami ng car insurance. Tapos yung mga basta car insurance, kailangan namin i-update yon, or kailangan namin siyang i-priority na makapag-save up ako. So let's start with our cash stuffing. Tama ba? Okay. So I'll do the cash stuffing first na lang. So what I'll do, we have the debt of 3,000. So, I'll do the 3,000. And I'll have to note CP Okay, by the way, update lang for my ring. We are almost done kasi 5th month tong August, and then by September next month, full pay na tayo by the end of September. So yeah, very good, 6,000 na lang. So almost there. So yung CP na lang ng husband ko, yung debt na babayaran natin. Ito malayo pa, pero malayo na. Yun yung dapat nating mindset, guys. Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Ano ba yan? So, let's do this. So, by the way, yung savings yung 6,000 na bonus ko dito ko nilagay. So, mamaya na yan, we'll have our grocery. It's 1,500. So, pag nag-start yung class, maybe i-increase ko yung budget ng grocery kasi bibili ako ng baon nila, pang breakfast nila, pang baon ng breakfast, tsaka and all. And then, next is for the transportation, which is 1,000. There we go. And then utilities. And then for the vitamins, it's 500. Next, bibili na naman ako. And then, oh, yeah. Yep. So, Momshi, it's 1K. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam po, Momshi is my mother-in-law. We are giving her budget for her medical maintenance. Miscellaneous is 500, which is wala ako dito, so mamaya na yan. And then, so for my allowance, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, again, uulit-ulitin ko ito. So, yung ginagawa ko kasi before, fixed na 2K for our allowance, personal allowance, food allowance namin, but still, hindi talaga siya nagiging enough. So, let me explain what I did is, kinocompute ko per day kung magkano yung nagagasto ko for the for my food, for my kids' food, and that will sum up to 250. So, yung 250 per day, minumultiply ko siya for how many days in 1 week. So, for the week 1, that's 7 days. And then, I believe for the week 2, it's 10 days before the next pay. So, para hindi ako talagang shortage, yun yung ginagawa ko, yun yung pinapractice ko. So, for the week 1, 1,750, week 2, 2,500, that will sum up to 4,250, which I will be doing right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, 10,000. 200. Okay, let me look for 50s. Okay, here. I've got 50s. So, there you go. 250. There. Let me do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 2, 50. Ayan. There we go. So, this goes to my allowance. Yep. One, two, three. Okay, allowance na ito. Go. I'll put this inside my wallet. And then I still have like 1, 2, 3, 450. So siguro sa miscellaneous, let me find 2,500. Meron ba? Ay, isa lang to. Okay. So, I think I'm all good with the cash stuffing. Oh, yung miscellaneous. Kulang ako ng 50 pesos. Sige, lagyan ko na lang siya muna dito ng 500. Ito, kunin ko na lang to muna kasi wala pa akong dalawang 500. So, yung gagawin ko, it's like this. There. And then, susulatan ko na lang siya ng vitamins. 500. And then, miscellaneous 500. So, this is how important, guys, yung mga notes na yan. para hindi tayo magkakalimutan kasi medyo makakalimutin talaga ako. Minsan nga, there was a one time na nag-deposit ako in the morning half, pag out ko ng shift. And then, when I get back home, i-check ko na sana yung mga transactions ko online pagdating ko sa bahay. And then, may pumasok na 4,500. Tapos, sabi ko, bakit may deposit na 4,500? Wala naman akong naalala na may nagbayad, may nag-transfer, or may nagpadala, or anything like that. And then, talagang figure out ko, guys, kung saan. Yun pala, yung mga importante. Kaya nga importante yung mga ganito. Yun pala nung nakita ko yung mga maliliit na notes ko, doon ko na-remember na nag-deposit ako. That was funny, guys. It was one funny moment of myself kasi akalain mo kung ang bilis kong nakalimutan na nag-deposit pala ako on that day. So, yun na yun nangyari. And we still have this one. So, yung gagawin natin, guys, ilalagyan natin siya sa rollover and then we will see kung ano yung gagamitin natin dito next time. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you like these cash stuffing videos at meron kayong natutunan and hopefully we all grow together as individuals with our financial goals. Thank you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.